somebody up in the shaft?
Man, the kids are calling. I can't get back to the camera.
Just say, be quiet.
Bad timing. Oh, here goes the chunk.
Oh.
Nice. At least it was something. Come on. I don't know why he doesn't just grab one of these beams down here and push and let it twist and collapse down. Oh look, what should I do? Dang kids. Oh yeah, just do the
That's
push.
That's what we want. Come on, buddy.
He's just caressing it. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Tinkle, tinkle. Tinkle, Billy.
Go forward. Push.
Oh. Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
Okay, this is it.
Come on, look at that wiggle. Oh, we got a nice crack down here at the bottom. It's on the. Now just drive forward. Come on! Come on! Everybody's saying. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
No. Can we see the elevator shaft? Can you see anything?
Can't see it. You can see some cables hanging down a little bit.
Oh, push more.
Push them down. You know, it's interesting. These guys won't go any closer. That guy won't. He won't cross the line. He's in the water.
Oh! Look at the twist. He's got 2 feet of twist in that
The
thing.
kids have baseball games tonight too, guy. You gotta get going home.
I'm all the way.
I was doing it too, but I've got that motherly instinct where I rock it.
Oh. That was a good twist.
Yeah. That's tough.
Come on, I've only got 7 more minutes of recording time. Do it.
Oh, there goes some glass. It's twisted
You
like
have to finish
crazy.
it now because it's very unstable. Push the other one. Push the other one.
Oh, what was this? Something down. Pull down on that beam. Grab the top of it and pull down on it.
Yeah.
Push to the west. Twist to the west. Oh my god. Good.
That sounds so cool. No, no, go up. Now go up. Yeah, he is. This guy's telling him what to do. Now do the same thing.
Oh.
Turn it right.
Look at that.
Going. Go forward, dude.
Oh. Oh.
Yes! That is a better angle. Water, guys. Oh, look at that. That is so cool.
It's gonna.
Here we go,
Oh.
here we go.
Oh.
Look at it!
There it goes.
Now he's got to grab this and pull it.
Yeah, just push it over that way, dude.
It's going to come right on his
Oh,
bucket.
yeah, here it goes. Here it goes.
Whoa! But not the whole thing went. Dang it.
You got that.
Look at these guys with the hoses. Like there's Wallace over on the corner.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least the dust isn't getting to them very much.
There's the elevator door.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.